Mangwabe sacrificed a lot for Musamseleko. She leaves her son to stay with her mother and go to stay with Musamseleko in Muzumbe to have kids with Musamseleko. Mangwabe have 2 kids with Musamseleko and she had many miscarriages. She was trying to have kids with him. Musamseleko doesn't want Mangwabe's son to stay in Muzumbe. Mangwabe's son was coming as a visitor and leave, not to stay with his mother. Mangwabe sacrificed because you can't love a person. You say, I'm love this man. So you sacrifice your own child. You are not staying with your own child. Mangwabe and his son, they don't have a bond because Mangwabe was not raised his son. His son was raised by his grandmother, Mangwabe's mother. But Mangwabe, she was trying to sacrifice. Tomorrow you can hate that person you sacrifice for. He said, don't marry a woman who already have a child. And you dump your child to stay with your mother because you want to impress a man. Mangwabe learned a lesson, but she can't come in public and explain all those things happened. Musamseleku sometimes he is like a selfish person. Now Mangwabe decides to stay with her son because Mangwabe, she is no longer staying in Durban. The reason why Mangwabe was threatening to divorce Musamseleku because of her son, she reminded that now they don't have enough bond with her child because of Musamseleku. But now Musamseleku was betraying her to marry the 50th wife. He promised Mangwabe that Mangwabe is the last wife. That's why Mangwabe, she doesn't want to stay with Musamseleku anymore. So Musamseleku decided to buy a house for Mangwabe out of Muzumbe. He knows that Mangwabe want to stay with his son. Mangwabe doesn't talk too much like other wives to explain the whole story why she doesn't want Musamseleku anymore. Because you can't sacrifice to leave your child and to choose a man than your child. That's Mangwabe did. Because when we are young, we can make a wrong decisions. But now Mangwabe, now she knows that this is wrong. Because at that time, Mangwabe was in 20s. Most of the people, when you are in 20s, you don't use your mind very well. And now Mangwabe, she saw Musamseleku's true colors, that Musamseleku want to marry her because he want to have kids with Mangwabe. Guys, imagine, you can't say that your child is not my child on television, on public. What about Mangwabe's parents are going to say? What about Mangwabe's son? He is going to say that your child is not my child. That's why Mangwabe, she doesn't contribute a lot of money on Musamseleku's house, that Musamseleku built a house for Mangwabe in Muzumbe. Mangwabe was not using her money to renovate or to do what. Mangwabe was using her money to take her son to school. That's why you see Spiwe is a graduate. Mangwabe sacrificed. She knows that she can't quit a job because she married to Musamseleku. But Mangwabe have to go forward to go to work because she knows that her son want to go to school. It's her responsibility. Maybe Mangwabe's son, maybe with his father, they are not getting along. You know that sometimes the relationship, other men, they don't care about their kids. So it's Mangwabe's responsibility. Mangwabe was taking more care with the Spiwe. Even she was not staying with her son, but Mangwabe was sending money, buy groceries for her mother and her son. Or he have got a responsibility to take care than other kids, Mawande and Sinande. Mawande and Sinande was Musamseleku's responsibility. Even now, Musamseleku was the one who paying school fees for his kids, buying food for his kids. But now Mangwabe, now she saw Musamseleku's true colors because you can't choose a man over your child. Mangwabe, now she is regretting to make that decision that she choose a man over her child and say my child have to stay with my mother and I'm going to be married. Imagine, guys,